Hey guys, Hoppy Froggy Fry here. Welcome to the Mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Okay. What am I doing? Yes, waiting for the comments from Chris. He's going to be joining me momentarily. But for now, he's out the room. Right, so I'm hoping to finish this off. We'll see how much resin I've got. Now, I have done this technique similar quite a few times, including in this. So if you saw the video where I think it was the first pressure pot video, it's kind of the same thing or similar. But I have a new mould. Not this one, nothing to do with this. I'm super excited to do it. I'm just doing a little planning, preparing, because I want it to look good. So for part of it, I'm testing out different things to see which version will be the best. And that's where this comes in. Now, Chris has not dug out my other frog, and my Temu delivery hasn't been ordered. So I'm using this. I'm hoping it works because it does have a kind of textured surface. But we shall see. Right, so yeah, I've got this out. In fact, I probably need to get the additional colours out for this one. Can't remember what colours I used before. I'll figure that out. Right, I don't like doing things simply. So this is going to be done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different colours. Lots of them. Yeah, I have no idea what it's going to be like, so... Colourful. So this is going to be 8 different colours. There is actually a little bit or a lot of science behind it. Science in the aspect that I'm using the colours typical of the electromagnetic spectrum. Now that's going to go over quite a lot of people's minds. Trust me, it's gone over Chris's. But it's something that means a lot to me with my science background. So, I've got red. I've got orange. Yellow. Green.
I don't remember the song going this way.
It's not the rainbow. Turquoise. Azure blue. Dark indigo and magenta. Yes, it's not the rainbow, it's the electromagnetic spectrum.
So there's no Georgian bungle in this then?
No. Right, so yeah.
What about zippy?
No zippy, no. Okay. Shut up and eat your chocolate.
Yes, dear.
Right, sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, all I'm doing, completely clear resin. Because I don't know how much this mould takes, I think it's something similar to the standard one. I think it's a little bit more. I'm going to be making up, because that's quite a bit. I'm undecided between 160ml and 180ml. I'll probably make up 160 because then if I've got any extra, yes? Why is he doing it's the bullseye? Oh, gee whiz. 180! Yeah, okay, I'm gonna shut up. Those who know, know. Anyway.
Those who don't are scared.
Yeah, those who don't are absolutely petrified. Right, so yeah. Going to mix this up, do this, finish this, and I'm hoping I have a little bit extra because I have this really pretty, tiny, interresin butterfly mould, and it's so super cute. So I'm wanting to do that. Although there's likely going to be bubbles in it, so you know, we'll see. Right, I am going to shut the waffling. I'm going to mix up my resin. I will get Chris to put up around here how much I actually make at about this point, and I will be back once that's mixed and degassed, and then I will be back. Catch you in a few.
Glue sticks in a coffee mug, yarn all tangled on the floor. She's crafting, she's laughing, paint thumbprints on the door. A little cardboard rocket ship, paper planets in a line. She's got questions in her pocket, turning mess into design. The crafty rat's crafting on the kitchen table, tiny tails twitching by the color cable. She's exploring every color, every crazy line, with a spectrum of magnetic design. Make a hoppy, froggy Friday fly, oh my. Jumping off the fridge, landing in the sky. She's crafting, she's laughing, yes, she's my hoppy, froggy Friday fly. She clips a paper lily pad, sticks it to a silver ring. Says, watch this frog go floating, like it's such a simple thing. Magnets on the underside, sliding smooth, they never hide. She's got science in her smile and glitter in her eyes. The crafty rat's crafting on the kitchen table, tiny tails twitching by the color cable. She's exploring every color, every crazy line, with a spectrum of magnetic design. Make a hoppy, froggy Friday fly, oh my. She lines up colors in a row, red to violet, gentle glow. Every lesson in her hand feels like magic on demand. Just a girl, some tape in time, turning Fridays into shine.
Right, these are done. Yeah. Spill a bit of glitter, but you know. Right, so I'm just getting these demolded first. I probably should have taken off the excess beforehand, but Chris absolutely loves this mold, and I really love this colour. I did spend way longer than... Is that sparkle coming through? Hang on, let me... Ooh, yeah. So pretty. Yeah, what? Yeah, I was spending way. To say these weren't the main effect or the main part of the video, just trying to get as many air bubbles out as possible. I'll clean that up later. Right, so yeah, I do really love that colour. What was it? Oh, hang on, phone's calling, I bet it's Ella. Right, I'm back, yep. Okay, so where was I? After that rude interruption, which wasn't Ella, it was medical stuff. Right, yeah. This one I'm going to clean up first. Where's my tape? Chris has tied it. Do I know where anything is? No. So yeah, I did spend an awfully long time with these. They are into resin molds, and the resin I use isn't the best at degassing. It's good, I love it. Price point's brilliant, but degassing, it needs a little bit of extra work. Right, so this, I've not done this one before. Oh, dang it, got a bubble. But it is so cute. Right. Okay, so just put them to the side. Get them put into my resin box. Okay, so this one has been a couple of videos worth. I am expecting a huge line. I couldn't remember what colours had done in the original, so I guessed. So there's probably going to be a colour difference. The first part was put in the pressure pot. The second part wasn't, so there's no doubt going to be a lot more bubbles in the bottom, and you can already see some there.
So the elephant's got a bubbly bottom.
Yeah! Although, no, I did put it in the pressure pot, but I took it out too early. So there are bubbles in the top. But I think I used the same colours. Ooh. Ow. I do love this mould, but it isn't the easiest to get out. Trying to keep the sound effects to a minimum. Normally by this point Chris has offered to help me out. He's not even paying attention.
Give it here then.
Right, well, whilst he's doing that, I'm just going to get these toes out. Oh, and I forgot to put the glitter in. So yeah, there is a distinct line, but it kind of looks cool. And this is, yeah, I've got quite a few big air bubbles, but as I say, expecting that, I wasn't expecting this to be anywhere near perfect. It was just to finish it off and get the excess out. So this is the main deal. I have bubbles in the toes, even though I reckon to sort them out. There's that big glob of glitter on its bottom. So yeah, if I recall, this one's not as easy to get out as the other frog because of the hips here. And the nose.
Need me to help?
Well, I'm trying. He's offered to help me now.
You're definitely trying.
Yeah, I agree with that. Right, let's see if we can get a bit of leverage. Nope. Okay. Oh, still love this. What's this? This sparkle. And this is, apart from the little tiny bubble, I've done so well with this and all. If it weren't for that, it'd have been perfect. Right, so as I mentioned previously, this is something I'm wanting to try on a different project that I've got, and I figured I'd try it with multiple different colours, because usually when I use alcohol inks I just use 2 or 3 and they're all usually very similar. This one was a bit different. I think this one I used the colours based on the colour wheel. So yeah, so I figured I'd try the electromagnetic spectrum. Now this is what I've got.
That's cool.
Oh, I actually really like that. Just bear with me because I do want to check something out. Where's my phone? Or do you have a torch? I'll just pass us my phone. I'll put the flashlight on.
It's in my hand.
Right. It's to see what effect light has. Now this is probably a bit intense. pull more of a diffuse light, try not to blind everyone. But from my perspective, that looks really cool. From your perspective, I can't see. Oh, you can. Ooh, actually, that doesn't look too bad.
Let me try something.
Chris is now trying something. Hang on. Way! One of my lights at the side here, he's just it's like on a 4-foot tripod. Ooh. Ooh. I think that's coming through on camera. Right, so, okay. After all that messing around.
Put your line back now.
Yes, there are air bubbles in the toes. I will try and sort them out. But I actually really like this. Yeah, that's this week's Froggy Friday and little extras. So appreciate you all for still being here if you are. Your support means absolutely loads to me. Yeah, now go and check the playlist out for the collaboration. I don't know if I introduced it at the beginning, but if I did, I'm repeating myself. Apologies. This is part of the Froggy Friday collaboration, which was started by Kaz from the Dragon's Cave and Lisa from the Girl in the Garage. And it is supported by Lula from Nerd Goblin Art, Tim the Bass Resonator, and Gert Creates. So, yeah, that's this week's Froggy Friday done. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and comment below. That would mean the world to me, and it does help my channel so much. If you are subscribed, awesome. If you're not, click the button, it's below. That's all you need to do, it's free. And yeah, in my description, I do have, as I mentioned, linked to the playlist. I also have links to the products that I use. I have discount codes, which, who doesn't like saving money? And I also have my Amazon wishlist and buy me a coffee links for those who want to support in that manner. Right, so that's it for this video. Tuesday's video, in theory, is going to be Ella's make. She is 18 on Sunday. I can't believe it. I will have an adult child. I have no idea where the time's gone, but there you go. So she's wanting to do next Tuesday's video. I'll probably be doing all the talking because she's a bit shy that way. Right, so as I mentioned, that's it for this week's Froggy Friday. Appreciate you being here, and I will catch you for the next video. Bye, guys.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene. Glitter jars and colors so stark shimmer like stars in the deep dark park. Her hands stain